In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a creamy keyboard. Yeah, that's pretty much it, mate. A creamy sound profile is a mix of talk and clack, where there are some deepness to it while still have a pinch of high pitch. Very confusing, I know, and honestly, I don't even know what a creamy sound profile is.
Bruh.
Before we can build a keyboard, we need a keyboard. For this build, I'm using my Ola F65 because it's cheap. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've done a video on this board before, so I'm not gonna go into details. But it is a plastic keyboard. For creamy, sometimes plastic keyboards are better. But really, you can use any materials. However, the keyboard you buy needs to have foam, which is not that hard to find nowadays, because keyboards are packed with foam. The board should have a soft plate. This can be PCB, which is ideal, or FR4, because stiffer plate tends to be clacky, which is clearly not what we want here. Another recommendation is gasket mount. This one is optional, as gasket mount help even out the sound and the typing feels across the whole board, so it doesn't really link to the sound. That's all the recommendation for the case, and conveniently the Ola F65 tick all the boxes. This is totally not planned. Now we can talk about the switches, which is a crucial part, because changing the switches alone can change the whole keyboard sound profile. However, that doesn't mean that the switches depends how the keyboard sounds, okay? It's just a really big factor. So we really have to be on point with this one. For a creamy build, you wouldn't want your switches stem to be long nor short. That does sound confusing, eh? But it's just gonna be like that. Linear switches are the top option, as tactile switches tend to be sharp and high pitched due to its bump. Now, of course, there are some exceptions, but for the sake of our wallet, I still recommend linears. This is why I chose the Epo Maker Zebra, and for 100 switches, it only costs $18. Like what? That's 18 cents per switch. How do they make it that cheap? Our world is so unique. What am I saying? Lastly is a keycap, which technically you can buy anything you want. However, middle to high profile and thicker keycap will do the trick. That is why I picked this Sakura? Anyway, bare keycaps from Akko. I keep hating on these, but somehow they keep coming back to the video, bro. This is an OEM profile. This does not look like one. But oh well, I don't care. As you can see, these keycaps have bare ears. Yes, very weird, which means that there will be more material. But somehow this keycap set only costs $30. Like, what the hell is going on here? This world is going cray-cray. Yes, I know it's sold out, but you can easily find a $30 keycap set like this, or even this. Now that we have all the stuff, we can finally start building this keyboard. Separating a plastic keyboard can be a bit of a trouble, but I believe in you. First mode is tape mode, which you use paint tape. Remember, paint tape. Or if you want to destroy your whole keyboard, then go for it. Be my guest. It's okay. Then just tape your keyboard. I recommend doing 3 layers and cut out the dongle bits or screws whole. Next is loop your switches as always. If you want to learn how to do that, well, you know where to go. If you don't want to be a slave for hours, there's always pre-loop option, but it's not gonna be as good. Gotta sacrifice something here. Lastly is the stabilizers, which I will only be adding more loop because the stock stabilizer of this board is not bad at all. But if it is bad, you know where to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you just need to put your switches and keycap in, which I recommend to put the switches in before you put the case back together, because putting switches on a flat surface prevent the socket to fall out. And remember to put your switches on the right side, otherwise it will be ruining. As for the keycaps, I don't think I need to tell you how to put it in, because then that will be concerning. You're done. Now enjoy my creamy keyboard. You know what? I think I'm that girl, because how do I keep making hits like that? Let's be a little bit humble now and talk about whatever is going on here. Hello everyone, it's been a week and I yet to find out that I haven't talked about the total price of this keyboard, so let's do that right now. My creamy build come up to a total of $103. Yes, it is not under $100 like the title. I did clickbait you, but it's only $3. Come on now, I will pay each of you $3. Actually, no. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Bye-bye. Building a creamy keyboard is very easy if you know your stuff, which I hope you do after watching this video, otherwise you just wasted some of your minutes. So I hope this video helped. As always, if it doesn't, don't tell me, I don't want to know. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye!